Day 19. I have to teach something small from my work today. So I'm gonna just talk about whatever we are using and whatever is familiar to people. So when you visit a website, it goes through different stages. It has a lot of concepts from networking to servers, software, codes and other stuff. So let's start from beginning. Whenever you type your web address, let's say you type google.com. What happens is that browser sends an HTTP request to the server, which is behind this google.com. You know, web servers don't understand google.com, facebook.com and other stuff. They are talking to each other with numbers. So this google.com is mapped to another number in the DNS, which stands for Domain Name Services. And this DNS resolves, sees Google and says, okay, you say Google, but I understand it's 192, 109, that, something like that, blah, blah, blah. Then it sends the request to that server. And what is server? Server is a computer which is working 24/7 without any stopping. So it's continually working to serve your request. Otherwise, if you sent your request, it wouldn't answer, it wouldn't give you a response. Yes, it goes to the server. In server, there's a special software called web server. Web server accepts requests and sees that, okay, which page you want. Let's say you want the main page of Google. Then it says, okay, they wanted me to give a response as a main page. And it looks at its place, let's say, it says, okay, does this user have access to this page? And it sees that, oh, it's a public page, which means everybody has access to that page. Then it accepts and starts working on the response that it's gonna send to you. Then it's gonna send a request to you. So, you know, these guys distracted me. They are playing football and I'm talking to you, so I was thinking whether to give the ball back to them or not. Yeah, there is shadow here and I wanna just talk a little bit in this shadow. So it's gonna be easier for me, and there is also bars here. I wanna just pull myself up in these bars. So this is why I just wanna finish my video here and go there. Yes, request goes to the server. Server works on the response. And this request and response are just HTTP. What is HTTP? HTTP stands for Hypertext Transfer Protocol, which basically is just a protocol. Protocol is just like something like that. If I am sending you something with this way, you have to send me that way. This is just protocol, agreement. So the web servers, mobile clients and other stuff has protocol with server, so they are talking to each other with this protocol. It's just a way of little language. They understand each other. So the web server has a special software which we backend engineers develop. The request goes there and everything is done there. Whatever answer should be given, whether it's gonna be HTML or other stuff. And in modern days, we are not using monolith applications. We are using microservices. And also backends are separated from frontend. So at first it goes to the backend, and then backend gives response and the frontend gives you back. Actually, in the beginning, frontend already accepted the request because you are sending requests and you are expected to see the front part of the application. Yeah, this is like that. Actually, it was off the top of my head. I didn't get prepared for that today because today is my non-office day. I'm gonna work from home, and this is why I didn't have time. Normally, usually I'm thinking about the thing that I'm gonna talk in the bus while I'm commuting to the work. But today, since I'm not going there, I just woke up and get prepared and dropped my daughter to the kindergarten. This is why I didn't have time to prepare, and I didn't want to put it off and start it in the evening. So I see that it's already over 5 minutes. Now I wanna conclude it here. I'm thinking of whether to talk about more or not. But yesterday I saw a big improvement. I felt that I'm talking so well. Because it has also, I think, shadowing technique also played a big role here. Yep, like that. Let me conclude and do just my morning exercise and then go back home. See you on the next day.